Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we complete the branding section. Okay, so how to validate the brand. Now let me talk about the products. So products we are consist of the product name, description, price, category ID, and brand ID. So we have already show the relationship. Okay, one category has many brands, many products. One brand has many products. So in order to make the relationship and do the models, okay. So what you're going to do is first step, I'm going to go to do the model first, right? So model, I'm going to create this model which is a product model .js, right? So here, what you're going to do is, I'm going to copy this model, same model I'm going to copy it, this brand model, we are copy to product model. Everything same here, make this one as a product schema. So this one here also the product name. So product name. So the remaining fields you have to write it over here. So I am already written. So here I would get them here also well the product model. So product name, description, price. So I'll be explain, don't worry that about that, this all the things. Okay, don't worry about that, I'll be explaining. So here you will look at the table structure, right? So after that we have made another collections, right? Another column here is a description. This is the data type. So yeah, this is a price also number. You would make the data type. Status billion, your default is select as false, right? So these are the column which will be exist in our product table. Product name, description, price, and status, right? After that we have to make the relationship. So here in the product table we have a category ID and brand ID. So we can't get category and brand ID without make the relationship. So we have to make the relationship. How to make the relationship? In Node.js, you have type schema type object ID. So object ID ref category model. The category model means this same name you have to call it here. Here what's the name you are given is a category. Here this all things we have to assign to this category. This same name we have to map it over here. Then only it will be mapping, right? So after that, the same thing as we have to do the brand also. I want a brand ID. So brand ID is the primary key which is available in the brand table. So we have to take it as a foreign key over here. So here also, in order to make the relationship, you have type schema type object ID here ref brand. So brand is coming from this brand here. This brand is export. The same name you have given here. Then only it will be mapping reference. Okay, so I have right. Okay, after that we have to do the another thing is here we have to here export outside. You have to export the brand here. This is the products schema. This schema, this is a name we are in our database is created, right? The database is created, which is products. Okay, products. Okay, so products, it will be created as products. So here what you are going to do is here, now what I'm going to do is write products. So what you are going to do is it will be export outside. You have to write model export product, right? So after that, I want to populate the data. So we have to populate data, mean we have to display the category name. So we have a, instead of displaying the category ID, the category name should be displayed. Here, instead of display the brand ID, brand name should display. So how to do the thing is, so here first what you are going to do is here, first we have to run the application sheet. Okay, so this one I'm going to make comment it. So comment it. So let's do the things. We have to model is finished. Now I'm going to create the routes, which is a products route. So we have to write product routes.js, right? So here also the same category routes I just copy and paste it over here. Here I'm going to make this as a product controller. So write product controller is the src folder. We have to create the product controller. Here make the folder product. Here also the product controller. You write a product controller over here. We have to give the paths correctly. So here we have to implement the product. Here also product controller. You write product controller get functions. The product controller create function. You have to write this one also the product controller. Product get all method. Product create. Right. Perfect. Now what you're going to do is you have to save all. I'm going to go to see like the src folder. Right click, new folder. You have to write product. You have to write here product control, the same name I'm just copied. You have to write product controller.js. Okay, the same category controller, what you have done, all things just copied and paste it over here. Now you have to change this and all things as a product model. So we have a product model, so same name, you have to get a product model. This is a product model, you have to write it here. It is here inside the product folder, product model. How to implement the path, all things I have already explained. So this is all the path where your product model is resided. I have explained the path over here. It will be assigned to here this product model. So this product model, I'm going to call it here. So here the get product here, find data. Okay. So here we have to write here. After that, the create also we have to call this product details. Okay. So we have all the things are your products. Category you have to make change it as product. Product. This is also the product. We also this one is the product. Product validation is a product save. It's a product created. Right. Perfect. Now what you're going to do is you have to control save all. Now let's again I'm going to control C to stop. I'm going to run the application again. Right, no error. Okay, so here again I want to do the another thing is we have to forget it. For the server also we have to implement the products data. So you write a copy, you have to write routes, your product routes, you have the product routes. So product routes, I'm going to rename, copy this. This is the product routes. Here also the product routes is there. This product route also we have to call it here. This copy this, paste it over here. This called as product routes. Copy and paste it over the product routes. Control save all. Control C to stop the server. Again rerun the server again. Now what you're going to do is I'm going to write it over here. Products create. Right, product create. So I'm going to just go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my. I'm going to get one it's a brand creation. Okay, so here what's the database we have connected? So database we have take it, which is a DB-POS. Okay, let's back to our database DB-POS. This is a database. Okay, we have two tables, the three tables of the products, category, and brand. So here now I'm going to go to add the products details. So what you're going to do is we have already have a categories. Okay, so to expand this one, your brand. So here the brand is there, category is there. So one category we have two different brands. Okay, seems right. So now I'm going to add the products. Okay, so products, how to add the products? So we have to go to the same address I just copied. Post method, first you have to add the products. This one product create body row of your JSON format. You have to open and close it, open bracket and close bracket. So we have to go back to here. So this all the schemas, so all the things you have just copied, paste it over here. We have to make it as this a JSON format. You have to make the JSON format, right? So we have to things you have to write it over here. Products. You have to write products. You have to write product name, which is a LG000 something like that. Product name. Description also you have to write it over here. You have to write this change it as a JSON format. Right, here also JSON format. You have to change as JSON format. Okay, this is how we have check it the true postman. You have to write LJ blah 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 something like that. Comma price also you have to write the price. You have to write price also. You have to write price also. Price, comma status also true. True or false, you have to make it as true. Category and brand. Category also you have to write this one, this category you write this category ID. This category ID. This is char. You write here category. I just put it the char. This one. Okay, you have to make the category. This one I just put it the example purpose. The brand, I'm going to select the brand ID, which is a okay. So when you add the product and brand, you have to get this ID. So the if you have put your own ID, it won't work, right? Okay, so this is the product, the brand. Okay, brand of the product. This is a category of the product. Okay, so here you write LG char. LG char. This is a char. I'm going to make LG char. This is a price. So here the category is a char. This is a brand LG, right? So I'm just click save button, send button. So what happened? I haven't run this. So okay, Control C to stop server. I'm going to rerun the server. All right, now let me check it. What's the error? So the products create. But the port it should be running 7,000 port. So 7,000 port. It will be running on 7,000 port. Sorry. Bad requires non-white spaces. So non-white spaces. Next white space after JSON. That's the things happen. Let me check it. What's the error? Let's run the application. Now here, if you run the application, here I have path product name is required product name. Okay, I have missed one product name. So here's a product name like this. So here, what's the product name here? We are looking at the model. We gave this one. So okay, that's the problem. So I'm going to change that. Again, I run it here. Product created successfully. Now let's back to our database and check it whether the product is created or not. Here, the product has been created successfully. Okay, so product has been created successfully. Now what we are going to do is my product is created successfully. Now I want to view the product. So how to view the product? So we have to use the get method to view the products. Okay. So we have to write the get method to view the product. So we have to go to the product page, product control page. So we have a get method. So here also when the request is coming, I already talk about this. When the request is coming, slash products get all scores the product controller get action method. Okay, so here let's copy this here, get all, get all. Right. The product details are displayed successfully, but here the product details are this. So if you have one product, the particular details are directed successfully. Now I'm going to add two products. Okay, so here now another one, I'm going to add a LG chart something description also LG. Here we have to price this one, right? We have two different products. Now let me check it. So we have a two item display, but here you can see we have display the category. Instead of category, we have this category ID. I want to display the populate the category collections, category name and category status, all things we have to populate. Okay, so how to join these tables, join these collections, right? So out of these things we are doing here is, so what you're going to do is you're back to our project. So project, okay, so your project. Now I'm going to go to, the thing is here, I'm going to products, okay, so here this, so right, okay, so here products, so here it is working successfully. Now what you are going to do is here, I'm going to go to do the thing is, so I'm going to stop the server. I'm going to install the control C to stop the server. I'm going to install the npm install mongoose populate. You have to write this one, npm install mongoose auto populate. Then only it will be populate the tables. Okay, after that what you're going to do is, we have to back to my, we already made the relationship here. You can see here category, table here reference, ref, and here brand. So we will be accessible all the models, but I want to get all the category name and status, or brand name and brand status. In order to do the thing is, we have to go to the product controller. Here's a product controller get action method. Here what I'm going to do is, what the needful things we have to do it over here. So I want to do the thing is, here we have to do it, product control, right? So you have to write it over here. Simply you have to write it here. Here you can see simple code. There is not a hard code. It's a simple code I have written. Okay, find model, right? Find model, find. Okay, see this one, we have to write it over here. Dot populate, you have to write the dot populate. There is a method called populate the tables. Populate two tables. Okay, category and products, brand and products. Okay, we have to populate the table. So you have to populate category, populate brand. Okay, the same name, populate category. Okay, so category, this one should be here, this one, this category, populate category, populate brand. Okay, so populate category and brand. So here you can say model, we have write category. So here category is a brand, right? So write it like this, category and brand. Okay, so here category table, we have a category name. I want this is a category name. So what is the category name? You have given cat name. Your cat name. You write it over here, cat name. I want to populate a cat name. If you want status, you have to put in the status as well. We have a here. You need a status as well. Here, how many columns you have to populate, you can give here, right? After that, we have a brand table. We have a brand name. So a brand name, how to get the brand name? You have to give the brand name this, like this way. You have to give the brand name out here, brand name, comma state. Don't put the comma in between. I gave the small spaces in between these two text, right? That's the thing here, right? So of these products, we have to call it over here, product. That's the only thing you have to do it. After that, you have to go back to my product model. We have to implement this one, product schema plugin. We have already installed the auto, this one, that plugin. I already installed the dependencies. Okay, this dependency. Mongoose auto populate. I already installed. I already show it how to install it. Just populate that one. We have to implement the product schema plugin required model auto populate. You have to this one you have to implement. Then only you can populate the table. So save all and run back to the application again. It's running. Now let's back to here. No, not here. Postman. Now let's. Oh, what's the problem? Not working. There's no error, but what's the problem? So let's back to my product controller. What's the problem? Cat name, brand name. So we need this one. We have to get rid of these lines. Cat name, brand name, product model, products, JSON, product JSON. So JSON output. It's not working. What was the problem? Is it is? Everything done successfully, but what's the problem? So what I'm going to do, all things are done. Why it's not working? It's a category. So you make it this one as a here as well. You make this ref that the problem is here. You make this categories, you have the category here also brand. You have to populate like this way. This one we have to populate this one. We have to call it here as well. Category and brands. Sometimes that may be the problem. This won't work. Let's run it again. Then you back it over here and let's now it's working here. That's the problem. Here category name also will be here. Here it display category name and brand name. Here it will be populated successfully. Now I want to get another values. So what name products. So I want to get the status also. You have to how many things you are getting. You have to comma and you have to write don't comma. You have to write like this status save all and rerun the application again. It's working. Control C stop. Now let's again rerun it. Here it's working. Now you can see it's working successfully, right? So I hope you guys you understood things well. You must practice is how to solve the problem and all. I hope this is very helpful. We have to do the Node.js development. Thank you.